各位朋友，你哋好，有愛回家時段啦，我係 Jeffrey， 今日想同你講咧就關於咧究竟用乜嘢方法咧加拿大政府先至要去面對 Donald Trump 嘅25% tariff 咧
？We're thinking in terms of 25% on Mexico and Canada.
No, nothing. Not right now, no.
The president agreed to put the tariffs on hold for 1 month.
A 25% tariff on steel and aluminum. I didn't want to hurt the It would have hurt the American car companies. They're charging us over 200% for dairy products.
首先第一樣嘢咧，佢一定係會製造一啲嘅混亂嘅情況。咁而家加拿大同美國已經係啦，我哋正話都有睇到咧，佢不停喺度彈出彈入，一陣咧又話 pause， 一陣又話繼續，一陣又話3月頭，一陣又話暫緩咁。咁究竟個日子邊一日先至啱咧？其實佢自己都未必係清楚。但係有一樣嘢嘅就係加拿大本身個政府同埋經濟仲有好多嘅人咧，就已經係受到呢個 tariff 嘅威脅，心理上已經係怕咗佢啦。你怕咗佢之後咧，佢唔單止係咁啊，佢仲要咧講好多其他嘅所謂叫 side issues 去 justify 翻佢自己咧嗰個嘅做法。例如咧，佢就會同加拿大政府或者係墨西哥政府，雖然某啲嘢都係 fact 啊。
But we need Mexico and Canada to do much more than they've done, and they have to stop the fentanyl and drugs.
咁同一時間，佢亦都講咗好多嘅 illegal 嘅 immigrant 咧，特別係由墨西哥落去啦，就不停咧就咁樣湧入美國咧，就令到美國嘅資源咧就非常之差。其實你呢個咁嘅 tactics 咧，只不過係想令到美國人咧就覺得咧，佢而家做緊嘅嘢咧係 well justified， 同埋亦都製造一個恐慌，因為咁多人死咧，全部都係因為加拿大同埋墨西哥，佢不停咧都會做好多嘅所謂叫 misinformation。或者有陣時咧，佢講嘅又係啱嘅。究竟啱同埋錯呢樣嘢對於佢嚟講係完全唔重要嘅。
Did I say that? I can't believe I said that.
最重要嘅就係佢不停喺度講唔同嘅嘢，每一日都會喺佢個 social media 咧 broadcast 啲嘢出嚟。咁如果留意或者係非常之害怕佢做嘢嘅方法
I'd like to see Canada become our 51st state.
He feels strongly that it would be very beneficial for the Canadian people.
你越接收多呢啲咁嘅信息咧，當然你梗係越會驚佢啦。另外一個 tactics 咧，佢亦都好中意嘅咧，就係所謂叫做咧，將大家坐埋一齊 negotiate 咧嘅人嘅心態咧，全部分黨派咁去做啊。
And Trump took to Truth Social to praise Mexican President Claudia Sheinbaum while also accusing Justin Trudeau of using tariffs to run for another term.
講到呢度咧，就諗下究竟加拿大用咩方法去對抗 Donald Trump 嘅呢個 tariff 最好咧？永遠第一樣嘢你同人 negotiate 咧，就輸人又唔好輸陣啦。我哋成日講呢樣嘢，所以第一樣嘢咧，你一定要 stand firm， 千祈唔好俾佢睇到咧，你係 crumbling， 或者你係有一刻咧就對自己嘅信心係猶豫。
As I always say, you touch a stove once and you get burnt, you don't touch that stove again. The only deal is drop the tariffs.
We're going to ensure that the Americans understand how pissed off we are.
We cannot live as Manitobans with a persistent threat of Donald Trump's tariff tax.
另外咧，你一定要咧係忘記咗呢啲嘅所謂叫 tariff 嘅 pause。今日佢停止，聽日又有翻。
The tariffs could go up as time goes by.
冇錯啦，佢話咧，如果佢唔 like 嘅話咧，佢可以一路加上去嘅。所以你根本乜嘢都唔需要諗啊，好似德福咁啊，佢而家做就話乜嘢都唔使理啦。下個禮拜一咧 ，Ontario 決定咧就會喺一啲嘅 sector 裏邊就會加呢25% 嘅 tariff， 就要令到美國人咧就感到咧呢個痛楚啊！痛楚之後咧就可能會有 unemployment， 或者啲人開始咧信心咧亦都會有動搖，亦都好驚。咁而呢啲咁嘅驚動搖咧，亦都係一啲嘅民怨咧，就希望用呢啲嘅民怨民意咧就可以圍堵翻咧 Donald Trump。就正如咧之前咧就 Donald Trump 曾經咧就加過10% 嘅稅，就喺加拿大嘅鋁同埋鋼鐵裏邊。咁最後都係一啲嘅民意咧，亦都係加埋落去咧，令到佢咧就係 back down。我哋而家根本已經係開始咗咧呢個 tariff 嘅仗啦，根本咧就唔能夠再退縮落去啦，只係能夠我哋咧就係綁緊安全帶啊 ，stay calm 同埋 stay focus， 知道我哋需要做啲乜嘢。今日講到呢度差唔多啦，下次再同大家傾過啦，拜拜。